So the crystal that you see, if it's on the order of about 150 to 200 microns, contains billions of unit cells. Okay? So it's taking that one piece and translating it infinitely, at least until the end, the extent of the crystal, and that's how you get your crystal. All the unit cells stacked together to form a crystal. So what you're going to do is, for each component, you're going to assign a unit cell. And then what you have to do is you have to process each part. You process part 1, you process part 2, you bring it together. Okay, so that's how, when you process non-mirror-hedral twins, that's what you're doing. So, as I said, you have to process the individual domains, as many of them as there are, and then bring them together. So, the integration program must recognize if there are two types of diffraction spots. Spots that are well defined and can be put into one component, or because of the way that those domains are stacked, the spots are they're laying on top of each other. Okay? So they're overlapped. And that's what the programs do. The programs can actually pull them apart. And we're going to see that. Okay, so between twin components, whether it's 2, whether it's 3, whatever, there is a relationship, it's a mathematical relationship that describes the relation between the two. Okay, we call that the twin law. But what it is, it's a 3 by 3 matrix. So if you've ever done matrix algebra and you've seen, 3 rows and 3 columns, that's a 3 by 3 matrix. That 3 by 3 matrix is defined by the program. And what that is, that's what allows one domain into the other. Okay, that's the relationship between the two. Another one, that language, that book, that encyclopedia that allows the two to talk is called the twin law. And like I said, it's a 3 by 3 matrix. And then the programs that actually do the twin processing will furnish you with that twin law. So actually having the twin law in hand is one way of refining a non-mirror-hedral twin. And we're going to see another one. So, in what we're actually going to see tonight, with the Chrysalis Pro software, it's a software package where you can read in data from multiple types of instruments, and it will actually process your data. It doesn't matter really where it's from, it can process it. What it will do, and what you will see, is that Chrysalis Pro is going to find the individual parts. It's going to find the individual parts, it's going to integrate them. So literally, by integration, you're bringing everything together.